So if you're using only one AI tool for everything you do, you're doing it wrong. There are 4 AI tools that I use every single day: ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and Claude. And each one is built for a completely different job. Now, most people pick one and try to force it to do everything, and then they wonder why their results are mid. I'm going to walk you through all 4. I'll tell you what each one is best for, when not to use it, and which one you should be opening up the second the video ends. Starting with number 1. First one, ChatGPT. Now, this is probably the most familiar AI tool on the planet. If you've used any AI at all, you've used this one. ChatGPT is best for everyday productivity, writing emails, brainstorming, drafting content, generating images built right in, voice mode for conversations on the go, and it also has custom GPTs, which lets you build mini versions of ChatGPT for specific tasks. So why use it? Because it's the all-rounder. It does pretty much everything decently, even if it's not the absolute best at any one thing. But here's where it falls short. In my opinion, ChatGPT is the most agreeable AI out there. Now, if you've used it, I'm pretty sure you know what I'm talking about. It will tell you your bad idea is a great idea just to be nice. So when you need honest feedback or a real second opinion, this isn't the one. ChatGPT is best for fast, everyday tasks where being polished matters more than being right. Number 2, Perplexity. Now, Perplexity is in a completely different lane than ChatGPT. This isn't really a chatbot, it's a research engine. Think of it as what happens when Google search and AI have a baby. You ask Perplexity a question, instead of just making something up like other AIs sometimes do, it searches the web in real time, pulls real sources, and gives you an answer with citations underneath every single claim. Real example, last week I needed to research the top 10 moving companies across 3 different cities, review counts, average ratings, service areas. ChatGPT would have hallucinated half of it. Perplexity gave me a clean breakdown with the actual links I could click and verify. So when do you use Perplexity? Anytime you need real, current, sourced information, market research, fact-checking, comparing products, news, pricing, anything where being wrong actually costs you something. Use Perplexity when you need to know, not when you need to create. Number 3, Gemini. Now, Gemini is Google's AI, and that's exactly its superpower. It's the only AI that lives inside the Google ecosystem. So if your work lives in Gmail, Google Docs, Drive, Sheets, Calendar, or YouTube, Gemini just plugs right into all of that. You can summarize a 50 email thread in Gmail in one click, turn a Google Doc into a presentation, pull data from a Drive folder, even drop in a YouTube video and have Gemini watch the whole thing and break it down for you. That's the other thing Gemini does nobody else does well: video understanding. You can give it an actual video file and it'll watch it. Its context window is also massive, like 2 million tokens, which means it can hold an entire book in its memory at once. And it also has one of the best image creation models, which is called Nano Banana Pro. But overall, when do you use Gemini? When the task involves your Google stuff, or when you're working with a huge amount of information at once. If your day already lives inside Google, Gemini just slots right in. Quick favor, if this breakdown is helping, hit that subscribe button. Okay, now to the one I actually use the most. Number 4, Claude. Now, this is the AI I bet my entire business on. And I'll tell you exactly why. Claude is the best in 3 specific areas: writing, coding, and serious thinking. If you've ever used ChatGPT to write something and it came out sounding like an AI threw up on the page, try Claude. The writing is on a completely different level. Same with code. Claude Code is a tool I use to build actual products I sell to businesses. It writes the code, fixes the bugs, ships working software, and you don't need to be a developer to use it. The third thing Claude is incredible at, it tells you the truth. If your idea isn't good, Claude would tell you it isn't good, where ChatGPT is the agreeable friend. Claude is the smart friend who won't let you embarrass yourself. So when do you use Claude? For anything serious. Writing that needs to sound human, code that has to actually work, strategy you need real pushback on. Now, Claude is also where this gets a little crazy because of Claude Code, co-work skills, and connectors. All of this stuff I broke down in my last video. Link to that one is going to be right up in the description. So here's the cheat sheet. ChatGPT for fast, everyday tasks. Perplexity when you need real information with real sources. Gemini when you're working inside the Google ecosystem or massive amounts of data. And Claude for serious writing, real coding, and building things you can actually sell. You don't have to use all 4, but knowing what each one is for already puts you ahead of basically everyone else using AI right now. And if you want to learn how to actually build projects with Claude and Claude Code, sell them to businesses, and turn this in real money, The link to my community is going to be in the description. That's where I walk through the full playbook. Hopefully I'll see you inside. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.